Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gravy rajma. First, let's prepare the rajma. You'll need 1 cup of dried rajma. Make sure to sort and rinse it well under cold water. Then, soak the rajma in about 3 cups of water. Let it soak overnight or for at least 8 to 10 hours. This step is crucial for tender beans. Once your rajma is perfectly soaked, drain the water and give it another quick rinse. Now, transfer the rajma to a pressure cooker. Add about 4 cups of fresh water and a small pinch of salt. Cook it on high heat for 6 to 8 whistles, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. This ensures the rajma is perfectly tender. While the rajma cooks, let's prepare our flavorful gravy base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 2 finely chopped onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in 2 pureed tomatoes and cook until the oil begins to separate from the mixture. Now for the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder to the gravy base. Mix well. Finally, add the cooked rajma along with its cooking liquid to the gravy. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 15 minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve this delicious rajma hot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.